Yes, Lizzy? Huh? What do you want, Lizzy? What do you want? Wouldn't be crunches, would it? Would it be a snack? Would it be a treat for the Lizzy? Yeah. Lizzy has been all over the place today, Lizzy, hey? Not knowing what to do with herself, out of sorts. Would this fix the problem, Lizzy? Will this help the solution? Hey, will this give the solution? Hey? Yeah, I suspect maybe. I suspect so. Yeah, go a long way. Yes, Lizzy. Yeah, some more, Lizzy. Make everything a bit better, Lizzy. Yeah, I suspect so. Gone too quick, Lizzy. They're gone too quick. Hey? Oh, big. Oh, be nice. Give you a couple more. There we go, Lizzy. There we go. Keep it going just for a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. I think it's only for a short bit. Oh yeah, one more. Oh, oh.